Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell your designs on Canva by applying to become a Canva creator. So to start, open Canva and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, open your browser and search for Canva creators. Click the first official link that appears and it should take you to the Canva creators page. So once you are on the page, look for the section that says you can share your designs with the world. Then click become creator to start your application. And then Canva will ask what type of creator you want to be. You may see options like designer or teacher. If you want to create regular design templates, you can choose designer. If you're applying for education related content, then the teacher option may be more suitable for you. Next, Canva will ask what you enjoy creating. You can choose things like presentations, website, videos, or other designs that matches your skills. After that, submit your choices and continue to the next part. You may also be asked to choose your experience level, such as beginner, mid-level, or advanced. Then fill in your creative interest and goals. So this helps Canva understand what kind of content you want to make. After that, complete all the required information, copy your design sample or portfolio, and paste it into the correct field and submit your application. So once you see the thanks for applying message, that means that your application has been sent. Now you just need to wait for Canva to review it. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.